1. Hi everyone, my name is Josie and welcome to another episode of Luxe Unboxing. Today we're going to be doing a very special segment on Fendi and also Gucci. We are going to go ahead and go over 2 shoes that I picked out that is ready for summer, and they're really cute. They just came out for spring summer collection, so I can't wait to share them with you guys. Now the first one is from Fendi. I love sandals. I think that you should wear sandals all year long unless you're in the snow. So I'm in San Diego, which is perfect weather, so I pretty much kind of wear sandals all year long, but these ones are super cute. I love how Fendi includes the little dust bag cloth, so when you're not using your shoes, you can put your shoes in those containers. And then the ones that I picked is actually the Fendi Roma collection. Let's take a look. And they had them in different colors. They had them in blue and they had them in white, but I really like the blue. I think it's super in right now, especially if you're going to be wearing them with denim stuff, like denim jackets, denim skirts, denim jeans. So this is the ones that I picked out. I love the way that they look. It's perfect for summer. And as you guys can see, it's super flat in the bottom, but it does give it that cute little braided action up here and also on this side as well. It also has like a little bit of a foamy feel right here in front, so it's not super flat. It is a little bit flat here in the back, but here in the front it gives a little bit of cushion, which I really like. And here's what the bottom looks like. It's really smooth here. You might want to get, I always get those stickers on the bottom, that way I'm not like slipping and sliding when I'm wearing these shoes. But this is what they look like, and I really love the color. I think it's perfect for summer. And let me show you guys what the other one looks like as well, so you can see them together. Now I'm not sure what you guys have gotten for summer, but these would make a really good addition to your shoe collection. I usually like pick maybe 2 or 3 pairs of shoes for the summer, and I kind of rotate those through, but I really love these sandals. Look how cute that looks. And I did get a size 36.5, which translates to the English version of 6.5, because my feet are kind of a little bit chubby. So I like to make sure that the shoes are not super tight, because I hate when they right here rub on the side of your feet or even down here, and then I could only wear it for a little while. So I usually wear a size 6, 6.5. These are pretty true to size. So these are what they look like. And like I said, the bottom is kind of slippery, so make sure if you get a chance, get one of those like stickers that you could put on the bottom here. But I really love them. I think they're perfect for summer, and I hope that you guys like these as well. And let's go and take a look and see what the Gucci looks like, right? So these are my new picks for sandals for the summer, and let's go ahead and open Gucci. All right, so the Gucci ones they're not your typical sandals. They're a little bit more different. They are definitely something that you could wear. I'll open it for you guys right here. And here's my receipt. And you guys know how much I love these green boxes. I think they're super cute. And they do also come in these really great dust bags. Now, these are not sandals, okay? If you haven't guessed them already, they are actually, ta-da! They're sneakers! How cute are they? I love the color. It looks really classy and very like simple, and something that you could wear with pretty much everything, because it has that classic Gucci print. And I really love how it did the green and the red on here. It's just so cute. And if you guys can see down here below, it has GG kind of all the way through it, and it also has it on the bottom, which I think is super cute. And the laces do go all the way to the top, but they are actually pretty comfortable. They are definitely true to size. So like these sizes, the ones I got were a size 6. So if you are debating about what size to get, I recommend getting your size, or maybe just half a size up, but don't get like another size up. It'll be too big for you. So I really like how, let's take a look in here. It has the lip right here, and it says Gucci, if you guys can see that. It's really cute. And it has the number 77 on here. I'm not sure what the significance is, but I just thought it was kind of cute. And I love the number 7 because I think it's like lucky, so that's kind of cute on there as well. But yeah, it has this really nice kind of white angle that goes all the way down here. It has it on both sides. on here as well. And there is one back here, and it matches on the other side. Now, I think that these are a great investment. Now, they are a little bit expensive. They are, I believe, $690. So it's definitely an investment, but you guys know with Gucci, they last such a long time and they're such great shoes, and the quality is amazing too. So this is definitely gonna get a lot of wear from me, especially depending on what kind of outfit I'm looking for. But I think that they're great walking shoes, and it's just a statement piece. So if you're just, you know, wearing shorts, just one of these, throw one of these on and you're good to go. So this is what it looks like. And let me go ahead and grab the other one so you guys can see what they look together. But I really just think that I will definitely be getting my use out of this all year round, which is really great, right? Because sometimes, you know, you buy a pair of shoes and you only wear it for like one season. I think that these are one of those things where it's such a classic shoe. You can kind of wear it all year round and it'll last for years to come. Like I said, they are definitely an investment piece, but it's totally worth it. And I love the way it looks. It's like such a clean looking sneaker. And I love the fact that they have the print all over it, but it's not like super in your face. Like, it's just very classy and very smooth. And I really like how it has obviously that logo that, you know, Gucci is famous for, and that classic red and green stripe, which I love. I think that's like what makes it, that gives it that little extra oomph, you know, right over here. And this little, like I said, the Gucci right here, and the bottom right here as well. I just really love these sneakers. I can't wait to wear them, and I hope that you guys like these as well. So let me know if you guys have sandals or, you know, sneakers that you guys have been looking into. Maybe I can do another unboxing, but I hope that you guys love this unboxing. But I'll definitely be wearing out these Gucci sneakers. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.